Hi English learners, welcome. Today's John topic is AI, Artificial Intelligence. The term AI, Artificial Intelligence, coined by John McCarthy in 1956. Before understanding artificial intelligence, let's learn about four great people who contributed their lives significantly to the field of artificial intelligence. John McCarthy. He was an American scientist, widely known as the father of artificial intelligence because he coined the term artificial intelligence and defined it. Also developed the Lisp programming language, which was crucial for the early AI research and development. In 1958, Geoffrey Hinton. He is often called the godfather of artificial intelligence. He is British Canadian computer scientist who has made significant contribution to the field, particularly in the area of artificial neural networks and deep learning, a technology at the core of machine learning. Dr. Raj Reddy is widely known as father of artificial intelligence in India. He was an early pioneer. He began his AI research in 1960s and has made significant contributions to speech technology, neural language processing and robotics. While Professor H.N. Mahabala may also be a notable figure in the field, having conducted one of the first AI programs in our country. Artificial intelligence is making computers and machines capable of doing things. It's like giving machines a brain so they can perform tasks like recognizing images, understanding language, or even driving cars. Some of the most common examples of artificial intelligence in use today include virtual assistants like Alexa, enabling voice commands and answering questions, facial recognition on smartphones, language translation apps like Google Translate apps, self-driving cars as seen in companies like Tesla. Artificial intelligence offers numerous benefits, including increased efficiency, enhanced decision making, reduced human error, and enhanced productivity. It's a wrap on our exploration of artificial intelligence. Don't forget to like and subscribe for new content. Thank you.